Nice your time, and for this edition, the Italian Baia is round number 8 of FIA World Cup for cross-country Baias and number 4 for European Cup. And despite the pandemic situation, this season we had 9 events across Europe and the Middle East, kicking off with the world's only snow and ice Baia in Russia in February, before concluding in Portugal in October. Great fight for the overall World Cup for cross-country, and this weekend the crew will face once again the rocky riverbeds around Pordenone in this race organized by Fuoristrada Club 444 Pordenone. In this new edition, we are proud to have around 60 crews all ready for this new challenge, and we expect a great battle in all the classes. First of all, welcome to the championship leader, Yazir Seidan. Mini John Cooper works early with Alexei Kushmik at your side, with X-Ray team that does very well this race. Okay, last year, a good Dakar at home, a 9th place overall confidence. And this year, what a season. 2 wins back-to-backs, 2 podiums, a 4th place in last round in Poland. Confidence, and now it's time for the gravel at Italian Bahia. What you expect from this race?
First of all, thank you to having us here in Italian Baja with the situation with COVID-19. We're all happy to be here. Very good driver. For me, I'm glad that I'm driving the same team with Christoph. I got a lot of experience from him because I'm desert driver. I don't used to drive in Baja in Europe. I drove in many times here in Europe, but in T3 and T2, and the situation is different in T1. The car much faster, and the competition is more stronger. My strategy from the beginning when I started this season is to make a very good position in our region, so I can be relaxed, not pushed, because I know myself, I'm not that good driver in Baja, so it's better to win in my area. So I can fight with a good strategy and just fight for the points. So it works from the beginning. I had some problems in Spain. I got a mechanic problem. I lost the points, so I came in Hungary and I finished 3rd. In Poland, I was in good position, but again with the terrain, I never drove in mud. It was hard for me. But I'm glad I finished in 4th position. I hope it's not raining here. I know the area. I came here 2 times, so I think it will be a very nice race. And then we hope everyone enjoying to be here. And the end, my strategy is to get more points to win the World Cup.
Però qui la gara è diversa da cui a cui era abituato per di solito. Questa è una competizione più forte e lui comunque è rilassato perché sa che sarà un buon pilota, diciamo che è uscito da e quello che fa lui adesso è la sua strategia, la migliore è quella di ottenere punti. Quindi adesso lui è qui in gara proprio per riuscire a raggiungere più punti possibile. Spera che non ci sia pioggia in questo percorso. Diciamo che non è abituato a questo tipo di attraversamento di fiumi e diciamo cascaglia, però è qui per divertirsi e ringrazio l'organizzazione dell'Italian Bahia che nonostante il Covid è riuscita a mettere in piedi anche quest'anno la gara.
Well, as far as the championship is concerned, RIG and Olchis are both here, and well, you told us this is your plan, I mean, as far as this race is concerned, but what about the strength of your car? I mean, which are the thing that you like most in this kind of race of your car?
About the car, I have the best car now in the world in this kind of terrain. Extreme they built all the year, the very good car, and this last version. I think it's perfect for this area, and the rest it will be on me.
Quello che avevo detto prima è che appartiene appunto allo stesso team e ha imparato molto anche dal collega che ha a fianco.
Yes, we say welcome back to System O, which is a mini John Cooper Works Rally or Sofolia, and with X-Ray team, a team with a lot of experience in this kind of races. I mean, it's just to say we were in front of a great champion, the winner of the third race in Dakar a few years ago, FIA World Cup winner in cross country, and Italian Bahia winner 11 years ago. Well, coming from two great wins in Hungary and at your home in Poland, how do you feel? Ready to keep on like this?
Yeah, of course. First, I will say about the car. It's really like I said, it's a last spec car. What we're working, Carlos make a big job. Carlos Sainz make a big job for the suspension. Even we testing in Spain in this special circuit that I find my solution for the car. That is for me, like all the drivers who are different a little bit. I find better solution for my car. It's really fast, really good car. Okay, if you compare to Toyota, we have still 40 horsepower less. It's a regulation make this problem, and everybody thinking that it's much easier one in Toyota. We will try to prove that Mini is faster. It's our job. I spent 7 years with X-Ray team, and I know that that's a big revolution now in the system. Nobody knows what will be next. If we have a fuel engine or diesel engine, it depends on how is the travel of suspension, T1 Plus, everybody thinking what will be next. But for sure, on the moment, the car is not developed a lot. That's on this moment, we try to take maximum from the car, like in other drivers. If you see ProDrive or, for example, Toyota as well, they're making a job on the T1 Plus, and that for the Dakar it's work, but nobody knows how it will be on Baja with the big wheels, with the heavy suspension. Many things is our head. But for sure, on the moment, my thinking is just to be the fastest on all the places. It's my target. It's after when I was sick and I back to the business again, I'm really focused. I'm really passionate just to make maximum from my body, from my co-driver, from my car, from everything what is inside, even from the ground in Italy. I will touch him like Pantera, just to be the fastest.
Secondo lui il veicolo che ha è ottimo, anche perché è stato fatto un tantissimo lavoro sulle sospensioni, l'hanno presentato in Spagna, e dice che è più facile vincere con una Freelog rispetto a una Mini, però la Mini è più veloce e il suo lavoro è anche provare questo qui su questo terreno. Non è ancora sviluppato del tutto, però appunto è tutto a dimostrarlo, e il terreno non è quello ad esempio della Dakar, la Bahia è più, diciamo, un po' più impervio, quindi se le sospensioni sono anche necessarie per riuscire a superare le buche del terreno, e lui comunque cerca di ottenere sempre il massimo da se stesso, dal pilota della macchina, e di fare tutto quello che può, e quindi anche il terreno della Bahia dedicata in Bahia, e qui per essere più veloce.
Okay, does the FIA European Championship only have point between you and Yazeda Regie? 2 races, the first year in Italy, and well, as far as Italian League is concerned, you know what you need to win. I mean, do you have to find the right balance between speed and patience?
It's of course it's a target of my co-driver. He always said, please slow down. It's for nothing that we're pushing like a crazy guys. And of course I must hear this noise, this voice from him. It's important to just finish. It's always the same sentence. The winners are on the finish. First you must be on the finish, and after you are happy because speed was good. That's of course I'm an experienced guy. I make a lot of hundreds of rallies that I know that's where is the limit of my tempo. Depends of the ground, depends of the feeling. We will pushing, and of course if you compare, it's 5 rallies, but 1 you go out from the points. That for sure we not finish Spain. It was our problem, because if we finish Spain, we were so fast on the Spain. It was possible to win, but of course the gearbox was broken. We stopped, and that's it. I know that it's a motorsport business. You never know. That for sure in Italy is important to be on the finish. Even we not win, but it's not. I not accept this position. But even not win, we, like you said, we take a points And Portugal, I was in Portugal 3 times and I won 3 times. I was in Italy 1 time, I won 1 time. I believe that I will be 2 times in Italy and I won 2 times. It's my target.
All'altro punto ci stanno di distacco adesso dal primo, e però dite sempre al suo copilota di rallentare, che l'importante è arrivare alla fine, poi una volta arrivati alla fine si guarda il risultato, si vede la velocità e tutti i venuti. Lui ha già partecipato ai 5 rally, però in Spagna non è riuscito a chiudere la gara a causa dei problemi tecnici della macchina, e quindi adesso sarà difficile, diciamo, arrivare proprio alla fine vittoriosi del tutto, però almeno in Italia cerca di prendere i punti e cerca di arrivare quindi alla fine e riuscire, diciamo, a recuperare.
So we a lot of speech today, a lot of also something boring, but tomorrow you have the shakedown, the first taste of, and ready to see a battle, obviously, also against the other. Let's start the show, and it was really a pleasure to have you here. And let's enjoy this race, this Italian Day. Thanks for all.
Thank you so much. So of course, from the driver's side, from the competitor side, like you said, we are happy that you make a race. That it's even the problems in the world with the pandemic, that we are here. We have a possibility to fight. It's fantastic. Thank you so much.
Seguire l'organizzazione, perché nonostante la pandemia siamo in grado di essere qui e di correre ancora. Sempre mi dimentico le cose di prima, quindi ho detto che l'Italia magari ha fatto una volta e ha vinto, Portogallo 2 volte, è stato 2 volte, quindi adesso saranno 2 volte anche in Italia e giustamente con vittoria a lui, questo è quello di completa.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Ciao.